Imagine seeing a baby flamingo for the first time. You'd probably expect it to be bright pink, standing proudly on one leg like the famous birds you've seen in zoos and documentaries. But what if I told you flamingos aren't born pink at all? In fact, a newborn flamingo looks so different that most people wouldn't even recognize it. And that's just the beginning. These strange birds can drink boiling hot water, feed their babies a substance that looks like blood, and survive in places where most animals would die within hours. Today, we're uncovering the shocking truth about flamingos, and some of the most fascinating facts you've probably never heard before. Let's start with the biggest myth. Flamingos are not naturally pink. When baby flamingos hatch, they are covered in soft gray or white feathers. So where does the pink color come from? The answer is food. Flamingos eat tiny shrimp, algae, and microscopic organisms packed with natural pigments called carotenoids. These are the same pigments that make carrots orange. As flamingos consume these foods over time, the pigments accumulate in their feathers, skin, and even their legs. Slowly, they transform from dull gray chicks into the bright pink birds we know today. A flamingo that doesn't get enough carotenoids can actually become pale or almost white. In other words, a flamingo's famous color is literally built from its diet. Flamingos thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Many species live in highly salty lakes and alkaline lagoons. Some of these waters are so extreme that most fish and animals cannot survive there. One famous example is the alkaline lakes of East Africa. These waters can become hot enough to burn human skin. Yet flamingos gather there by the hundreds of thousands. Flamingos eat in one of the strangest ways in the animal kingdom. Most birds use their beaks to pick up food. Flamingos do the exact opposite. A bird that can efficiently filter thousands of tiny food particles from water every day. It's a feeding system so unique that almost no other bird does it the same way. Now for one of the weirdest flamingo facts ever discovered. When flamingo chicks hatch, they cannot immediately eat the same food as adults. So their parents produce something called crop milk. This substance is bright red,